Hey everyone, Don with Anderson Ford Motorsport here. On the dyno, we got our 2022 Shelby GT500. We all know these things are pretty much king daddy when it comes to just out of the box horsepower. Make fantastic power right out of the box. We got it strapped to the dyno here because we did some upgrades to it. But before we did that, we actually did do a baseline pull. Let's go ahead and show you guys what this car made in stock form. Okay, so now that everything's installed, let's talk about what upgrades we did. We talked to our friends over at VMP Performance and pretty much did one of their upgrade packages. That pretty much consists of one of their Apex Predator supercharger lids, their race core intercooler upgrade, their 101mm throttle body, a 2.8-inch supercharger drive pulley, and a JLT cold air system. VMP is also handling the custom tune on this vehicle as well for both the engine and transmission. Pretty much a full package offered by them. So now that everything's ready to go, it's strapped down on the dyno. Let's go ahead and run it on the dyno again and see what kind of horsepower we gained from doing this upgrade package. Okay, super impressive horsepower. This car would be a ton of fun on the street and at the track. So we're pretty much gonna leave it off there. If you guys are interested in what we do at Anderson Ford Motorsport, check out our website at www.andersonfordmotorsport.com. If you want to upgrade your Mustang or F-150, give us a call. We'll be happy to go over any kind of power packages that can definitely give you a boost in power for your ride. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.